We have a fun video planned for you guys today. I got a special package.
Wait. Ready for the unboxing? Woo! Show them. And then it comes with the ingredient list and the preparation. We got a t-shirt.
So the important thing is that this iconic 1980s snack was discontinued in 1989. That means they stopped making it. No more.
But don't worry.
But they're back and we're here to try them.
Yay!
Steve Harrington's favorite snack.
I want to see what he likes it.
Yes, I think it tastes like Rice Krispies with peanut butter and chocolate. All right, let's open. Let's taste. Yourself. It did it so nice. She cut that so nice. Look at the fucking collectible.
We're eating like worth of $500 now.
Someone's selling this on eBay for like $500. So there's 2 left. I'm gonna let one rot forever. Collector's item. Are you ready to do this?
It's a Stranger Things.
Wait, we gotta show this.
Use
No,
the permission.
show this. Like, I feel bad even opening this. This is the best thing I've ever tasted.
It is like a Reese's cup with crispy stuff.
It's like a Rice Krispies with peanut butter and,
Reese's Cups.
and chocolate.
And it's
Yes, that's what it tastes like. Peanut butter Reese's Cups. So there's a Funko Pop with Steve. Actually, he's eating the Bopper. It's really cute.
I give it 8 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
I know this is too much peanut butter, but it's so good.
General Mills, Nature Valley, bring these back permanently. I will buy them.
I'm ready for one more.
It's because I'm a Steve.
But,
I'm a Joe Curie girl.
I feel like this should be like bites.
Little
Chocolate
bites.
bites.
But they look small here.
Like this is a whole bar.